Hello everyone, I'm Leo. I'm Senior Manager in R&D division, and today I will give you some very brief introduction for our product electronics potting. And about the electronic potting, this packaging technology is to provide weatherproof or physical proof of our very fragile electronic devices. Use this kind of technology, it can very flexibly to fill up our devices, especially the microcomputers in our electronics, or the motor inside our electronic vehicles. Even the very small portable devices like the charger, you can see on the left-hand side. We can also use electronic potting to very significantly improve their durability and reliability. Our product can the encapsulation product can be organized into two parts. First is IC packaging, and another is the electronics potting. In the scale perspective, we can also treat them as chip level and board level simulation. And we prepared several different suites to satisfy different requirements from our customers. I think some of you guys are already know that our electronics potting module was separate from IC packaging model, because you know that the IC packaging module is very expensive compared with the traditional injection molding module. So we organized the new module electronics potting is to try to isolate the potting feature only to meet the marketing requirement in this field. So our electronic potting product was available from 2024 R1, and we did a lot of improvement on it and provide this new product.